especially this deep in it.
Alright, so. Anyway, hey guys, what's up? My name is Thomas and welcome to my newest video. I'm back onto Idom de Coucou with my friend. And we're float fishing at the moment, but the carp rods are over there. We've been here for a night already. And yeah, we've missed 2 fish and we landed 1. So a pretty good result for now. Just like last video, I'm obviously spotting. That's kind of the main theme here. Every time I come here I spot. I mean, basically for now, because we've had some rain last night, we've had some rain all this morning. It's been a little bit slow because we had some really nice warm weather yesterday, and now the cold front's come. It's kind of slowed things down a little bit, but we still managed to land 1 fish and we've got some a little bit of activity. So I'm going to be spotting in a minute, and so yeah, I'll get in touch with you later.